1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a milk car's truck. I think Danny should be showing up any minute. Oh, there he is. What up, bro? Thanks for coming over to Cafe Juan this morning.
Thank you, brother. Do this.
He's my old neighbor from the old Cafe Juan. He's here to help us set up a new Cafe Juan, right?
That's right. Get it together and bust it out.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Let's do it. Let me show you where the new kegerator is at Cafe Juan first.
That's perfect.
Do you think about it? I thought I caught you once with your eyes wide open in my bed.
Hey, so here's where the new Cafe Juan kegerator station is.
Yes, sir.
It's always needed for home improvements, which is a new part of Cafe Juan this season. So what are we here working on today, Dan?
Taking some trees out.
Yeah, we're gonna get this place set up.
Some rubber trees, some ficuses. Maybe one ficus, huh?
So this one here gets first morning light. This is gonna be a principal spot for Cafe Juan growing here, winter and summer. And the ficuses we are actually going to
tell you everything, but you ain't got the time for that right now.
They're all just growing straight up. So all we do is
I'll pass it on. I'm through with this. Do you remember when?
This one is gonna be where we're gonna put the tree house.
Right on.
Because what we're gonna do on this one is we're gonna start topping it, and taking out the center. You see all these center branches, and we want to promote the ones again going out, and then get the ones fat down at the bottom, and then we'll cut the ones out the center. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So, this is the one area I kind of really would like to tackle first.
Tried to jog them all, yeah. Tell me now, how many was it? Hey, I'll collect them all as blue ones, hilarious. I hear it's worth a lot, don't give a fuck. Love you taught me that now I can't relax. Let's set it all now to those crazy kids. I'll pass it on. I'm through with this. Do you remember when? New to this, I'll pass it on. Send it to kids we once knew. Ooh, 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 ooh. was new.
Hey, hi Ryder. What are you gonna do? Daddy's cutting the trees.
Do you remember? It was forever. I was the first one. I meet you at the wall. We went our own way. I took disgrace. All I remember is a special place. Baby, do you recall? Do you remember? It was forever. That was my first song. It was free falling. We started to play it. I did the same. I made a decor, and I was in his dream. Baby, do you recall? Those were the days I went away, that I turned gray, that I went gay. Those were the times.
So we're thinking about here putting the garden box for just like some vegetables. And to support, and then just a little pathway in between, and then another little box here. Awesome.
Things have been changed. You gotta remember, it was forever. Baby, do you remember? It was forever. Tried and failed, I tried and failed, oh, how I tried and how I failed. When I was down, the ones I loved told me to pick nothing, keep me in the balls. You ever try? 'Cause I know you failed. If you ever did, then you'd find that it all seemed to come together. Happy now, thanks for the failure. It all seemed to come together. Happy now, thanks for the failure. Face. Just last week I had a taste of, I was too drunk, I admit too stoned, I couldn't connect with the crowd, I felt so alone, no. Try and fail, I tried and failed, how did I try, and when I failed, then it all seemed to come together. Happy now, thanks for the failure. It all seemed come